Hello guys, and welcome to this brand new review on the tech department of my channel. Today we're getting serious, today we are getting smart, because we are talking about this guy here. We are talking about the HidrateSpark Steel Smart Bottle. It is a bottle which keeps track of your water daily consumption, and it's smart, so it reminds you when and how much you need to drink to keep your health in shape. So with no further ado, let's have a look at it. So this guys is the bottle. As you can see, is very good looking. It's a mixture between steel and plastic at the bottom and at the top. This is the 21 oz version, and we are talking in terms of dimension 2.76 per 10.63 inches in terms of dimension, and the weight is slightly more than 1 liter, so 1.06. It is very nice looking, and it's at the moment it's empty, and it's very comfortable to use. When it's filled with water, if you want to drink, you have this button here, you press and automatically it pops up the opening and you can drink from here. The top part can be removed very easily, and here is where you fill it with water. This part here is recommended to be, of course, cleaned after a while, after some uses of drink. On the bottom part you have this section here, which can be taken out, as you can see. This is the Bluetooth connectivity one, and here in this pins here is where you attach the included cable, which can be used to recharge once the battery is dead. And of course, on the application on the phone you will receive notification that the battery is almost exhausted, and therefore you need recharge, but it can last up to 1 week with the daily use. Refilling or filling water within the Spark Steel is very easy. You just open the top, fill it with water. You can water or any other drinks you want, of course. Once it's filled, you close it, you put it down, and you wait 1 second because it needs to recalibrate. So once it is calibrated, it will glow blue, as you can see, which means that now is ready to go. The bottom part is also the part where it glows, as you can see, when you receive a notification and the bottle tells you that it's time to drink. Let's have now a look about the HidrateSpark application on my iPhone. On the main tab you have an indication of your current daily water consumption as well as your goal. As you can see, I'm now 75% of my goal, and you can also switch, as you can see on top, between the different days of the current week. With the button on the bottom right, you can add manually additional water consumption that you may have had without using the HidrateSpark product. In the second tab, the history, you have a more detailed history about the water consumption of the day, where you can adjust or delete recordings, as you can see, as well as your current month's consumption. With friends, the third tab, you can have a dialogue, you be connected with other friends using HidrateSpark products, and you can share goals and results. Bottles is where you see on the top your current HidrateSpark still connected with the level of battery, You can make it glow manually, and you can personalize the color of the glow. There is this paid application, Glow Studio, where you can further personalize and enhance the experience of personalization of those alerts. You can also add a new bottle in case you have more than one. You can set up how many alerts you want per day, the intensity, the type of reminders, and the event that triggers the alert itself. You can also snooze in case you don't want to be disturbed for 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, as you can see. The last tab is settings, is where you have access to your Spark account. You can set up the goal, the fluid units, as well as the application where water consumption data are transferred to. In my case, having an iPhone, as you can see, it's automatically connected and communicating with Apple Health. So I think it's quite simple but very effective application. And what I like very much is the fact, as mentioned, that all those data are automatically transferred to Apple Health in my case, and they contribute to build up my medical digital ID. So here we are, guys. I hope I give you quite an idea of what this product is and how useful it may be for some of us like myself who are not so conscious and forget about healthy habits, and in particular drinking. This product is retailed for £65. I leave the link in the description down below, and it's available in different color and different sizes, so 17 or 21 or Z sizes, and color. This one that you saw is the steel, but you have the black, the white, pink, and other type of color. All the links, as I said, there will be down below. All in all, I think it's a good one, as I said, for people like me who are not so health conscious. So this, once you get used to this product here, you won't be bothered by its reminders. Actually, they are very helpful, and the fact that it's integrated with Apple Health or Google Health, it's really a plus, where you can see how water consumption in this case could be beneficial for your health. So I think it's worth the price, and also the quality, the building quality, as you saw, is quite good. So battery lasts 1 week, so definitely it's a nice to have. I would recommend it, and also you can use it for other drinks. Hopefully not alcohol, guys. that's not what it's meant for, but you never know. Having said that, see you the next time. Leave the comments down below. Subscribe to the channel if you want, it really helps, and stay tuned.